up. Still morning right now. I want to wake up the neighborhood. They'll probably hit us Monday morning. Alright, we're heading out right now. Alright, start going. Alright, so we're heading there now. It's gonna take us about 3 hours and 15 minutes to get there. I'm finally getting custom dyno to in the cars.
There's a BMW coming your way, cutting it.
I see
for no reason. Is it blue? Is it blue?
It's black.
No, New York, I bought the
I said New York, you fuck.
Oh, is it blue?
Yeah, sure.
Legit, you missed it? No, I see you.
Why you not gonna cut it?
Yeah.
Fuck, you missed it.
Yeah.
I legit told you New York like 5 times.
That's okay.
I know, but then it's trying to do
Just pull a U-turn on the highway. It's not that hard. Legit, go on the shoulder, reverse it, and you're booming. We're finally here. 1 minute away. We're about to pull in right now. Oh, someone fucking farted. Finally here, so we're making a left right now. Right here, 718. If you can read this sign, you are already on camera. Alright. I mean, you're on camera too. You're right there, there they are. Alright, right here.
Genesis
There it is. This one, there they are. There they are. So yeah, these are right here. This is it right here. Alright, we're gonna go inside. We're gonna go have a look at everything. We're gonna talk to them and see everything out.
You got a lot of Jennies here, bro.
Yeah, look at that. They have the Jennies all around. One there, one right there, one right there, one in the shop, one in the storage over there.
I think upstairs, yo. Alright, yo, come on, they're pulling up. Getting this car done. Getting that car done. And the I got buddy.
Jake, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you guys. Alright. Jake, nice to meet you. Chris. Nice to meet you. So guys.
Hey.
Jake, nice to meet you. You guys all from Canada or?
Yeah.
Oh really?
We made a road trip up here.
Yeah.
Oh wow. How long did it take you guys?
About 8 hours from here to where is it? Fairfax? Yeah.
Who's first? Is this car or?
Yeah, this one just straight. Nothing needed.
Yeah. Let's do this one first.
Oh, so we're good to record?
Custom 2 on this one,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So 3.8 automatic, you said?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Alright.
Put in the injectors now or after?
You had the 2.0?
Yeah.
You can put it in now.
Okay.
So
It's just for summer, like it's not building any booster now.
no?
Yeah, you got blow off either, and the blow off either like
You have a BK2?
One.
BK1?
Because we put the Tomei turbo in, maybe like what, 3 days ago?
Let me look at it real quick. I mean, they're gonna take some time, so.
Alright, yo, so what struggles are you having?
All the struggles
Like, name one.
of a regular Mercedes.
This is why you don't get a Mercedes, man. Okay, I understand for the S63, might, but.
That's probably it.
So you don't have a wall felt?
Yeah, nothing at all.
Okay.
Yeah, it blocks it off, right?
Oh, so that I think that's why it's
Yeah,
But that's the thing, I don't know where to run it because
yeah, you would have to wall one up.
yeah, and
I have a question about this thing though. The springs for the wastegate actuator in this, we left it stock. Like you've done the MX turbos in the past.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, no, there's a stock spring in there. Now, do we need to change that? I brought the
No.
other springs as well.
Usually it'll make like 17 pounds.
Yeah.
So
okay,
we'll just leave it like that.
Yeah,
And then if you want to add more boost, probably manual boost controls. Better.
Yeah, which way? Yeah, we talked about that earlier. Yeah.
So.
Because this thing won't let me build any boost. So it's missing blow off, right?
I don't know, whichever you think.
I think the HTS.
But you don't have the flange for this thing, no?
No.
Oh, okay. I mean, we'll need one for the flange wise. Is that stock location one?
That's the stock location.
Yeah, so
we'll fit on this turbo.
I mean, it could be done, but it will look, weird.
Whichever is the easiest.
I think that would be easier, but we don't have a flange. Now,
This
do you guys
is
have a
easier.
flange?
Yeah, I think I have one.
Okay.
But I'll see what I can do because
Okay.
we got a little bit of I mean, this takes a little bit of time, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So-
yeah, I know. Yeah, we're in no rush. We're in no.
Yeah, well, let's work on that, and I'll have the.
$100,000 if you fly through that.
Right now?
Yeah, $100,000. If you fly across the hill, $100,000, bro.
I mean, I can go down it. That's all. Like,
No, I want you to fly. No? Yes? Thinking about it?
thinking about it.
Okay, let me know.
We're driving back.
Yeah. And yeah, we're here today. So we talked to Jay right now at SFR, and we're going to tune both Genesis Coupe. But this one, we're getting a bit of work done to it. We're going to put a blow-off valve on the cold side of the intercooler piping. Anyway, let's go check the 3.8 out while they're setting it up. There you can see, this is where they do everything. We're tuning this bad boy first.
Or just leave it like that?
Yeah, that would work.
Something like that?
Yeah.
You want it like,
I mean,
still like,
as long as it clears the hood, it won't really, change much.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll try that.
Yeah, the car's a little dirty right now.
Yeah.
I mean, it is clean.
We drove the snow coming here, we didn't see it, and then this thing was salted yesterday like crazy. This thing was destroyed when we got it. You could tell by the front to the condenser. The whole front end was like messed up, so we replaced everything on this. Engine was blown and everything.
Really?
Everything had
so
replaced.
new engine?
Yeah.
Used
New engine. The thing is, the guy ran it with no oil and blew like he blew the oil in.
Happens.
The first bearing, cylinder one bearing, right?
It's
Gone.
there. Yeah.
Gone.
Yeah.
So front hood was crushed. The bumper was crushed. The rad support, the condenser, the rad, the fenders, the rear bumper.
Yeah, rear bumper was destroyed too. That rear, and
everything.
side skirts. Don't forget the side skirts.
That's. I mean, but like a lot of Gen Coupe owners, they don't take care of it.
Yeah,
Like, for some reason, I don't know how it is up in Canada, but like around here, there's a lot of guys.
I'm gonna be honest with you, they all abuse.
Nice to abuse the car, but just they gotta take care of it. They gotta do some maintenance, you know.
So the cars are coming to the shop.
Anything goes wrong, right away. No hesitation.
All right. So yeah, I think you just gotta take this side off. That's it. Just to get to that clamp, and then just undo this, and then boom.
I'm already halfway there.
But if you need tools, just let me know.
Right.
We have it. Just grab the other guy.
Alright, so yeah, we're taking the bumper off right now. Jay's gonna weld the blow-off valve. We don't have a blow-off valve on this, so they're gonna make a custom fitting here on the ISR intercooler piping, and then yeah, we're gonna run a HKS blow-off valve. Taking a bit of work to get this off. Well, they're setting up the 3.8 right now. So this is their 3.8. Yeah. So these are the drift cars. No, I think they service.
This one would look like it, like if I put it on the back.
Check this out. I'm gonna put some lighting in here. No airbags. We die like real men. Is he? Yeah. Yeah, they have a factory that has all the parts. Oh, yeah, I think they put your car in already.
Yeah, it's already there. It's inside.
Yeah, I didn't see it to be honest.
Still not beating, right? I just gotta find the port, like I said.
So we're getting the TCU flashed. It's taking a bit of time, so we're getting the extra tune on it. We're pushing about pushing 240 or something to wheel horsepower. So Jason to get the TCU flash as well. It'll improve shifts and everything, maybe improve horsepower as well. So we're gonna test it out and see how it goes. So that was just the ECU. So Jay reflashed the ECU and that was disgusting.
It's different in here when you're back there.
Oh, fuck, my ears are already hurting.
Not enough from the front.
I feel like my ears gonna take time to adjust right now. I think they went too high.
There's no Lucas. If I didn't have mufflers and headers down.
I know, me too left.
All right, guys. So this is the car after we got the tune and everything. Yo, rev that shit. Alright, we're gonna go for a spin on this. Okay, bro. Let's go for a spin. Oh, shit.
Tiptronic for like.
Oh, you want me to drive with them?
No, he on the. All you heard was like the whole time on there. You know how much it was yours? Imagine like triple that.
Yeah.
When you guys were gone.
Oh,
You hear that?
yeah.
Oh.
Damn! Bro! Imagine you remove the mufflers! Yo! Let's test his abilities.
Ready?
Alright. So much faster. Oh man. Shit. Yeah, we're gonna put another exhaust on. This has mufflers on right now. When we take off those mufflers, oh ho ho, imagine how disgusting that's gonna sound. Now we're on to the 2.0.